It's apple season. Let's make a yummy, quick dessert. Let's season our apples with a little nutmeg, a little cinnamon, a little sugar, and I also like to use cardamom. So a little cardamom, just a very warming seasoning. You don't have to use this. You could use anything you want. You could use allspice, you could use ginger, you could use just cinnamon and nutmeg, whatever you want. And I got some crescent roll. And we're going to make apple dumplings by just rolling that. I'm just going to put apples that don't have a crust in the middle of the apples that do have a crust. One roll of crescent dough, about 4 apples. Now we're going to use a half a cup of sugar, half a container of vegan cream cheese, just a half a container. I'm going to let that melt together. A little bit of vegan milk. Let it all melt into a caramel. We're going to pour our caramel sauce over our apples. We're going to take a little lemon lime soda and put it in the bottom. I'm going to top it with just a little bit more cinnamon and then into the oven.